Today I'm going to talk about a very important issue, which is plastic pollution. Imagine waking up one day and finding plastic in your breakfast, your water, even in the air you breathe. Sounds strange, right? Plastic is everywhere. It's in our homes, our workplaces, our food packaging, our clothes, and everywhere. What started up as a revolutionary material, cheap, lightweight, and durable, has now become one of the planet's biggest environmental threats. Every year, we produce around 400 million tons of plastic, and at least 8 million tons end up in the oceans. That's like dumping a garbage truck full of plastic into the sea every single minute. It's harming marine life, polluting our waterways, and slowly making its way into our food chain. Sea turtles mistake plastic bags for jellyfish. Birds feed plastic particles to their chicks. And fish we eat are found to have microplastics in their bodies. If that doesn't alarm us, I don't know what will. But let's not forget, plastic pollution is not just an ocean problem. It's a land problem, it's a human health problem. We know now that microplastics are found in drinking water, in table salt, and even in our blood. The long term health effects are still being studied, but the idea of plastic particles floating in our bodies should be a wake up call. So, why is this happening? Because plastic is designed to last forever, but we use it for a few minutes and throw it away. A single use plastic bottle might be used for 10 minutes but takes more than 400 years to decompose. This throwaway culture is what needs to be changed. Here's where my personal view comes in. I don't believe we can solve plastic pollution problems by banning all plastics overnight. That's unrealistic and in some cases even unfair, especially to people in big places where alternatives are not affordable. But what we can do is to reduce our reliance on single-use plastic, invest in waste management, and most important, change our mindset. We must start seeing plastic not as disposable but as a material with value. If we can reuse it, let's reuse it. If we can avoid it, let's make sure it's recycled properly. I believe each one of us has a role to play, whether it's carrying a reusable water bottle, refusing plastic straws, or supporting brands that use sustainable packaging. Governments also need to step up. Policies that limit plastic use, encourage recycling, and promote innovation in biodegradable materials are essential. Education is another key factor. When people know the impact, they are more likely to act. In conclusion, plastic pollution is not someone else's problem, it's our problem. And while it might feel overwhelming, change always begins with awareness, and awareness leads to actions. If we all take even small steps together, we can make a big difference. Thank you.